Hey guys, it's time to do a full review of the Oppo A3s, and it is a new notch phone from Oppo. It is costing around $208. In this video I am talking about in details, and first I am talking about the build quality, and one word I have to say, it is so beautiful, premium, but it is not solid because this phone is made up of a plastic full body, and it is very bad thing for this phone. Phone is dropped, damaged from the back, and front display is made up of a Gorilla Glass 4. I don't exact number, I don't remember. Let's talk about the display quality. This one comes with a 6.2 inches IPS LCD display, but it is a 720p display. The Oppo F5 comes with a full HD display, but it is very big for the big fans users, but I have to say, and the VV angles is very bad. I look the phone by this angle, I looking this phone very beautiful, but I look the phone by this angle and the colors is dim, and it is a very bad thing. But it is a small chin on the bottom and notched display. Some users like the notch and some is hated. Let's talk about the software, and this phone comes with and you can see, and this phone comes with Android 8.0 Oreo right out the box, and color OS version is 5.1, and this software is giving you some features like, and you can see this phone is giving you some features like show real-time network speed and allow notification bar in some features like this, and some feature is, and this phone is also comes with a night shield. It is a night mode, and this phone is also comes with a real sound technology. I got this, and this says it is work with headphones, not the speakers, and headphones monitor is also here, this feature. And this phone comes with a face ID lock. This phone is not comes with a fingerprint scanner, and the face ID is looks very fast. Let's show you the speed, and you can see it is very fast. Let's show you some more features in the software, and you can see this phone it also comes with a navigation keys. You can also swipe up gesture navigation, and you can see I got this, and the gesture is here. You can swipe up, and this is home screen, it is a back, and it is a recent, and it is very good thing. This phone is also come with a full screen multitasking. You can use two applications on the same screen at the same time. And I have go to the battery section. It is a power consumption detail. It is giving you some details. The YouTube is using it 31%. It is very good thing, and that's about it. So let's talk about the internals, and this phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor with clock speed 1.8 octa-core processor. Yes, it is a octa-core processor, and the quad-core processor on the Samsung on 5 2016, which I speed test to this phone. Processor 1.8 quad-core processor, and this phone comes with a 2 GB RAM, but it is not good for the awesome multitasking, but it is good. Let's talk about the camera, and it is a 13 plus 2 megapixel combination f2.2 and f2.4 aperture, and you can see this one is giving you some features like photo portrait. It is a bokeh effect and video, and this one is also record up to 1080p, not 4K. And front camera is having a 8 megapixel with f2.2 aperture, which also record up to 1080p. So let's show you the some camera samples. And let's talk about the battery life of this phone, and one word is have to say, it is incredible. And this phone comes with 4230 mAh battery with no support of fast charging, and this phone is giving you a 2-day battery life easily. I am using this phone, and my Samsung J6 is giving me about 1 day battery life, and this phone is giving you a 2 days battery life without any problem because it has a bigger battery, but it is not heavy, it is very light, I have to say. And the red color is my favorite color in this phone. And overall I have to say, I say the battery life of this phone is very good. Let's talk about something like the physical overview. It is a dual cameras on the back with LED flash, and top is having a nothing, and volume up and volume down rocker is on the left, and the power key is also on the right, and the bottom is having a headphone jack, microphone, micro USB port, and speaker. And one thing I have noticed, so the speaker position is very bad. You playing a games and you can see, and the sound block by your hand. I think this speaker area is very bad on this phone play games. And I have to say, and you can see I play a game Temperanto, Subway Surfer, Candy Crush, Marvel Future Fight, and Asphalt 8 Airborne, and this phone is very lag in some areas and it is not good for gaming user. Overall I have to say it is a very good phone. And one thing I have noticed, this phone comes with a no fast charging. I charged this phone for about 3 hours in, I don't remember, I asked. And thank you so much for watching this full review of the Oppo A3s, and costing around $208, I have to say again. And I catch you guys in the next one, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to my channel for future contents. I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.